Hello, welcome video 13. We'll be removing duplicates, another thing that I love. Like filling NAs and removing duplicates makes your life so much easier. And if you can get good at this stuff, quick at this stuff, life will be easy. So I've imported pandas as before, imported my data, info, description, head, try get into the routine of doing this. Now we're going to add shape, so we're always going to add shape because we want to keep looking at that. Make sure we know the size of our data and it's just very concise. So missing data is not a problem. I know, sounds really strange. Dealing with it, you can drop it or you can filter it. And we're going to show you those ways at the moment. So a very broad way of dealing with it is play data, drop NA, and that drops everything that's a missing value and gives us a data frame. So as before, in place equals true essentially overwrites your view of the data frame. So I've not done it here, but that's how you would do it. Just remember in place equals true because it's going to come up quite a lot when you're handling data. Another way to do it is just to filter it. So give me all the data that is not null. In this version, you can't do it in place equals true, so you would need to create another object. So nice and simple, easy ways to do it. You could create, instead of in place equals true, you could create another object that uses drop NA. So remove NA equals play data dot drop NA, and then we can look at the head and you'll see that we have another object where that data has been dropped, and it allows you to keep preserve the original import of data. Another way is like there's attributes that you can use with drop NA. So how maybe you wish to drop them everything, and that's kind of the default. It will drop everything, but it's important that you know that exists and you can change that. So drop them all, drop everything that you see. Or maybe we just want to drop those in columns, right? So we look up play data, drop NA axis 1, or you could do axis 0 because maybe you want to do it in rows. And how do you want to drop it? I just want to drop all of them. Is essentially it. That's how you drop data. It is that simple, it's that quick. That's it. If you don't want to drop it, then you can filter it and you can preserve the original data you imported. But in many cases, so for example, if we're doing a thing called PCA, which is feature reduction, when you're doing machine learning, you'll process it and you're like, I just want to drop all the values that are missing because we've scaled it, we've processed it. We can't do anything with the NA values, so we just need to get rid of them. So dropping them is what we would do. But there's other cases where maybe you don't want to drop them. Very quick video for you on how to drop values that are causing you problems. And again, if you liked the video, just press like. Any questions, comment, subscribe to the channel. It will really help the community grow, and if you really want us to help us grow and turn this into a movement, share it with your friends. Alright, ciao for now. See you in the next video, which will be 2 weeks. See you then.